Hi, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. I am Satish Kumar, your mathematics teacher at Dr. Beeson School. In the previous video, under the topic mathematical reasoning, in worksheet 2, we have completed the problems from 1 to 6. And I asked you to practice 2 or 3 times to understand the logic well. So in this video, we are going to do some other problems in the worksheet 2. Shall I start? Are you ready with your books, pen, pencil, eraser, etc.? Right. So now I am moving to question number 7 from worksheet 2 under the topic mathematical reasoning. So what is given question number 7? Here given some instructions again 1 to 6 based on the DMAS rule only, but there we have to interchange the signs. Similarly, here also given some more interesting concepts. What is the question? See here, if 10 into 2 means 5, 10 into 2 means 5. Similarly, 10 divided by 4 means 14. Similarly, 10 plus 4 means 6. 10 plus 4 means 6. And finally, 10 minus 4 means 14. Then, so some conditions given here. 10 into 2 means 5, 10 divided by 4 means 14, 10 plus 4 means 6, and 10 minus 4 means 40. Then we have to find out, what we have to find out here? 10 into 5 divided by 4 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to question mark. So, if you can have a look over this, you can easily understand here 10 into 2 means 5. 10 into 2 actually how much? 10 2s are 20. But here 10 into 2 given as 5. That means here into is used as divided by. So that is to be understood in this problem. Into is to be used as divided by. Next. For one some more. 10 divided by 4 means 14. That means here 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So divided by is used as plus. Next terms. 10 plus 4 means 6. 10 plus 4 actually 14. But 6 we got. Here given 6 means 10 minus 4 is 6. So here plus is used as minus. And at last 10 minus 4 means 40. 10 minus 4 actually how much? 6. But 10 minus 4 given 40 means into. So it is multiplied. So we can say minus is used as what? Which symbol? Yes, into. So instead of minus, that is subtraction, we have to go through multiplication. You understand all of you? So multiplication is used as division. Division is used as addition. Addition is the subtraction, and subtraction is used as into. So let's come to our problem part. So this is a logic to be remembered. Now, what is the question given? What is the question given here? 10 into 5 divided by 4 plus 3 minus 2. This expression value is to be obtained now. Now, let's write down here. What is given here? 10 into means what you have to do? Divided by. Yes, into means divided by. You have to change it into divided by symbol. Okay. So change that into as divided by. You can write 5 as it is. Divided by means what you have to do? Plus. So write it plus. 4 you can write as it is, plus is there, plus means what you have to do? You have to make it as minus. Yes. Now 3. Again, what is there? Minus. If minus is there, you have to treat it as into. So write it into 2. Okay, my dear students. Now let's check out this problem. So 10 divided by 5 plus 4 minus 3 into 2. Now if we check out carefully, here we have division, addition, subtraction and multiplication. So which rule is to be followed in simplification of this one? Yes, it is to be observed by which rule? DMAS rule is to be followed. In DMAS rule, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So which is to be performed first? Division. 10 divided by 5. How much, sir? 10 divided by 5? 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2 plus 4 minus 3 into 2. That is equal to addition, subtraction, multiplication. According to DMAS rule, multiplication is to be done first. So leave the remaining 2 as it is. 2 plus 4 you minus, keep aside. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, that is equal to 2 plus 4 how much? 6. You have to do addition first, no? Addition, subtraction. So 2 plus 4, 6. Next left is you have to subtract again 6. 6 minus 6 how much? 0. So this expression after getting simplification, its value is equal to 0. If we check out our options part, okay, 0 is B. So if you want to write the multiple choice option, objective is B. B is our answer. Do you understand, my dear students? Note it down. So here given 10 into 2 means 5. That means into we have to replace it by division. 10 divided by 4 means 14. That means divided by is to be replaced by the symbol, addition symbol, that is plus. And 10 plus 4 means how much given? 6. Here plus indicates minus. And 10 minus 4 means 40. That means here minus is to be treated as into. So based on these observations, we have to find the value of 10 into 5 divided by 4 plus 3 minus 2. Okay, so I have taken that expression. Before that, I have written down the change of symbols. Into changed as divided by changed as plus changed to minus, and minus changed to into. So based on substituting of those symbols, we can get the expression as 10 divided by 5 plus 4 minus 3 into 2. So we have to follow your DMAS rule. So division is to be done first. We all know 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So I written 2 there. Remaining you can write as it is. Then here you have addition, subtraction and multiplication. So multiplication need to be done first. 3 twos are how much? 6. So ultimately you obtain 2 plus 4 minus 6. And then addition, subtraction are there. So we performed addition first. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. So when checking our option, it comes under option B. Okay, my dear students. So now I am moving to the next problem number 8. Okay, my dear students. Hope you have completed. If not, you can pause the video and send it. And you can write it down. Okay. So now I'm moving to question number 8. So what is the logic provided in question number 8? We have to check out now. Question number 8. Very interesting one. If he has given, if 40 plus 10 is equal to 30. Similarly, okay, I will write down here. 18 plus 8 is equal to 10. Okay. Then we have to find the value of 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60. Try yourself. I will give some 15 seconds of time. It's very easiest one. Very simple problem. You can do it. Try yourself. If 40 plus 10 is equal to 30 and 18 plus 8 is equal to 10, then 60 plus 60 equals to how much? It's a very interesting problem given. So based on the two hints he has given, 40 plus 10 is equal to 30 and 18 plus 8 is equal to 10, then how much is 60 plus 60? Try it yourself. Guess the logic behind it. So what is given in place of plus and everything? 40 plus 10 he has given as 30. Okay, check out yourself. Yes. Shall I do myself now? Now check your correctness of your answer. 40 plus 10 is equal to 30, sir. 40 plus 10 equal to 30. Generally 40 plus 10 equals to how much? Yes, it is 50. Now it is 40 plus 10 equal to 30 means this 40 is reduced by 10. So instead of plus, he has considered minus. So instead of plus, he has considered minus. Similarly, 18 plus 8 equal to 10. You do it as minus. 18 minus 8 is equal to how much? 10. Then 60 plus 60 equals to, in the place of plus, what you have to do? Yes, we have to use minus. 60 minus 60. 60 minus 60 how much? 0. So this answer is also 0 like the previous problem. 60 minus 60. We have to perform subtraction based on the hints given here. Okay, my dear students. So what is our option? If we check out our option, yes, it is 0. So our option is C. Note it down. I hope many of you have did the problem correctly. Okay. So I will move to question number 9. Let's move to question number 9. What is given here? Again, he has been changing the symbols out here. Now, the question number 9 is asking if plus means minus and minus means into and into means divided by and divided by means plus. What is the value of? I will write the question and I will explain about the symbols. 2 divided by 6 2 divided by 6 into 2 divided by 6 into 6 divided by 2 equals to question mark. 2 divided by 6 into 6 divided by 2. Here we are having only two symbols, that is divided by and into. Okay. So in the problem part, what he has given to us is given like this. If plus is there, it is to be treated as minus. Plus is to be treated as minus. That one. And minus is there, we have to use it as into. Okay. Next one, if into is there, we have to use it as divided by. Into is to be used as divided by. And divided by is to be used as plus. So 4 symbols were interchanged. So according to that we have to do the problem. Now write down our problem part. 2, what is next given? Divided by. Divided means what you have to do? Plus. So 2 plus 6 into is there. Into is there, you have to do division. Divided by 6. Now division is there again. So divided by is to be changed as plus. Then what is that? Plus 2. Yes. Okay. So that is the way you have to go change. Now So 2, check out addition, division, addition. So according to DMAS rule, here you have only division and addition. Division and addition. So first division is to be followed, then addition is to be done. So 2 plus, this is first one you have to perform. 6 divided by 6, how much, sir? Yes, 1. 1 plus 2. All are, so you have to do add addition, no other operation is provided here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So that is your answer part. So we check out your options. 5 is your option C. Okay, my dear students. So based on the symbols given, we have changed the symbols of for operation and everything, so that we can able to done. Okay, my dear students. Let's check it out. What is given? 2 divided by 6 into 6, again divided by 2. So here given plus is to be used as minus, minus is to be used as into is to be used as divided by, and divided by is to be used as plus. So what based on the question given, 2 divided by 6 into 6 divided by 2. So divided by is there. So 2 divided by is to be used as, yes, plus. So 2 plus 6. Next what is there? Into is to be used as divided by. So yeah, written divided by there. 6. Again what is the divided by 2? Divided by is to be used as plus. So plus 2. First which operation to be done? Division. So 6 divided by 6 how much? 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 2. Here we have only one operation, that is addition. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 is our answer. If we check out the options, it is C. Okay, my dear students, check it out. Okay, shall I go for the next one? Note it down fastly. Okay, my dear students, now I'll move to the next one. Question number 10. So question number 10 and 11, these are somewhat different problems and compared to the previous ones. Question number 10. If 7 star 1 is equal to 65. Similarly, 3 star 9 is equals to 114. Then what is the value of 5 star 6? It's a very interesting problem. If 7 star 1 is equal to 65, 3 star 9 is equal to 114, then 5 star 6 equal to star. This star symbol is, we call it as asterisk symbol. So here it has some logic behind it, so that we can able to get 7 by using this symbol 1, we will get 65. So what is the logic or what is the rule here going on? First we have to find it out. Okay, my dear students, let us check out. So if 7 star 1 is equal to 65, 3 star 9 is equal to 114, then 5 star 6 is equal to how much? Question mark, we have to replace it by a number. So what it be? What it would be? 7 star 1 equal to 65. If you use in the place of star symbol, if you use plus, 7 plus 1 8, not possible. If you use minus, 7 minus 1 6, still 65 is there. And one more you can check it out, into, 7 into 1 7, again not possible. Into you can use divided by, 7 divided by 1 is 7 only, 65 not possible. Then what is the rule going on here? So for this, here some different operations have been performed. I am writing down here. 7 star 1 is equal to 65. Okay. Here we'll check out for 3 star 9 is equal to 114. Okay. Now, so here we will obtain our relation. By using the logic, we will able to get down this one. 5 star 6 equal to how much? Let us check out here. This is 7, no? So, 7 and 1 are there, we got 65. So, what my logic is, what I have observed in this. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Next 1 is there. For 1 I have been adding 4. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So the 6 and 5 are the 2 digits of the given number. This is my logic. Let's check out if it is valid for this or not. Now what is this? 3. Here I have subtracted 1. So here subtract 2. 3 minus 2 how much? 1. You can check out this. Okay. Next. What is the next one? 9. For 9, for 1 what I did? I have added. How much I have added? 4. Here I am going to add 5. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So you can check out these two, 14. Okay. So 1, 1, 4. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 9 plus 5 is 14. You can obtain the logic here. So what is going on here? For the first number here 1 is subtracted, here 2 is subtracted and here 3 is to be subtracted. So 5 minus, see 1 subtracted, here we have subtracted 2 and here we have subtracted 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, for the second number, here I have added 4, here 5 is added and here how much should be added? Yes, it is 6. Very good. So, how much is here? 6. So 6, we have to add again 6. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So what is the relevant number you obtain here? Yes, it is 212. This is our answer. Okay, my dear student, do you understand this? It's quite a different one. When compared to the previous problems, it's quite a different one. So mathematical reasoning problems will be in this manner. We have to understand. Here 2 operations are performed by consecutive numbers, you say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Subtraction. Here addition, 4, next 5, next 6. You understand? So 7 star 1 equal to 65. How we obtain 65 here? From 7 we have subtracted 1 and for 1 we have added 4. For 3 star 9 we got 114. How do you obtain this? From 3 2 is subtracted. So we obtained 1. For 9 we have added 5. So we obtained 14. So 114 is it. Here 5 star 6 equal to how much? We have to find out. So from 5 how much is to be subtracted? 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. From 6 how much is to be added? 6. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Okay, my dear students. So in this manner we have to obtain the logic. So based on the logic we have find out the value of 5 star 6. Right down. This first one, and here still one more problem is left. It is somewhat different again. It is also having some different logic here. So every problem based on different logic. So what is given? Question number 11. Question number 11. If 60 into 3 is equal to 36. 60 into 3 equal to 36. Similarly, 11 into 7 is equal to 81. Then, what is the value of 5 into 13? 5 into 13 is equal to question mark. This to be observed here. So, very interesting problem. Okay, so what is given here? 60 into 3. 60 into 3 is equal to 36. 11 into 7 is equal to 81. Then 5 into 13 is equal to how much? Okay, 60 into 3 is given as 36 and 11 into 7 is given as 81 and 5 into 13 is given as question mark. You have to find it out. What is the value of 5 into 13? So how to go through this? 60 into 3 is 36. 60 plus 3 or 60 minus 3, 60 divided by 3, even 60 into 3 doesn't work here. Any of the four fundamental operation doesn't work out here. To get this direct answer, I mean say. So, if we use addition, first you think of 60 plus 3, how much? 63. Not equal. See, 60 plus 3, how much? 63. Then you interchange the digits or you say reverse the number. What do you obtain? 36. That is given here. So add the numbers and then reverse the digits. Now what should be here? 11 plus 7, how much? 81. If you interchange the digits, you will get it as, 18. If you reverse the digits, you will get it as 81. So again, here interchange of digits takes place. Similarly, the fast note here, 5 plus 13. 5 plus 13, how much? 18. Okay, 5 plus 13, how much? 18. So, 18 if you reverse it, what do you obtain? 81. So, if you interchange the digits 8 by 1 and 1 by 8, you will get the answer as 81. So, what is our option here? Our option is 81. Do you understand the logic? Okay. Add the two numbers, then whatever the resultant answer is obtained, let the digits be interchanged. Enough. Okay, my dear students. So by this, the worksheet 1, the first problem, we have completed the problems from 1 to 11. Okay, so in the next video, we will discuss about some other problems involved in this worksheet. Okay, my dear students. See, these last two problems and the previous one also somewhat having different logics applied there to get the resultant answer. So what I said many a times, practice many a times to understand the logic given in the problems. Okay, my dear students. So we'll meet in the next video with discussing about the other important topics part. Okay, my dear students. Bye. Thank you.